Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and part 2 of our series on converting a TC125 into a TE125. Are we gonna do that? Anyway, we're making a dirt bike into an enduro bike. It's gonna be fun. On today's episode, we are going to be installing Katie's breastplate. Just kidding. It's a skid plate. Katie's basically gonna take the helm on this one. She's gonna read the instructions and we're gonna get into it. Thanks for coming back. Let's do this. One.
We are installing a skid plate so then the undercarriage stays safe if I go over rocks and stuff.
A skid plate gives you something slippery to slide over, right? It protects the undercarriage of the bike so that we don't damage these dainty tubes down here. And then it also gives you a little bit of bash protection on the sides with these curled up bits so that when you put her over on her side, hopefully any big rocks or sticks or anything that's going to cause damage hits those. And
I'm one of those annoying people on Christmas too that has to like politely unwrap all the presents.
You're a polite unwrapper?
I am. I'm Canadian, it's in my nature. Oh, that's all pieces. So there's no words, there's just pictures. It's like we've gone to IKEA for this part. I have to attach the wrenches to the actual plate.
Do we still think those are wrenches?
No, we definitely don't, but they look like wrenches and I don't know what they're called, so I'm just gonna roll with it. Potato, potato. Those go there.
We've done steps 1 and 6 now, because order of operations seem not to matter. Now is a great time to reposition the bike.
Oh, okay, yeah. It won't be awkward, but yes.
Okay, I'll hold this. You're gonna want to turn the fuel off because it's gonna leak. Just kind of lay it down so that the bar hits that work stand. You still need a little gas. Yeah, and just give it a nice tap.
Oh!
Basically just rests in the frame cradle, somewhere in there. That looks like a good spot.
Makes sense, right?
Yeah, that looks good. All right, last step, locate. Get this guy on. You're gonna have to like mean anger wrestle it in place. You're gonna beat this against rocks. Stop being nice to it. There you go. Side to side.
Can you?
I sure can.
Move.
I sure can.
This is tricky. Can we not film it right now?
Is it frustrating?
It is, but I'm not ready for help because I'm gonna get it.
No, I know you're gonna.
I'm gonna do it.
I'll tell you what. I've got a beer over there. I'll just.
Okay.
You're gonna get this, I know.
Oh, I am. It's just frustrating because like I'll get this like perfectly lined up. Hey, sweetie. I heard there were some frustrations.
Okay, it's nice to see you. Bye.
I gave up.
Okay, so Katie tapped out. I got these in, but now this absolutely does not fit, and I'm thinking this bracket might actually be asymmetrical. Oh, no, you know what? It wasn't top screw first. So this top screw, you remember how that hole was so gigantically large? This top screw just needs to shift over to the other side of that hole. Yeah, okay, this is gonna be still real terrible. So make it fit, maybe. Okay, here we go. Alright.
You know how dumb it would have been to put this thing on last? Why would that be the last step?
No, I know, right? I don't know why you would do that. But we didn't do that because it was way too easy to do it first. So your skid plate's on. You want me to pick the bike up?
Good job.
Do you want to pick the bike up?
I'll pick it up.
Okay. There we go, folks. Skid plate. Maybe it's a moose. Maybe it's an AXP. Maybe it's a moose made by AXP. I don't know. Looks pretty dope to me. What do you think?
It's great.
You want to go slip and slide around it?
Not yet.
Alright, well, here we go. What are you drinking?
Alcohol.
Like fuel alcohol?
Alcohol's alcohol.
Alright, you got style.